totoo, ito yung mga cyberbullying sa atin na pinagtatawanan na lang din natin. Pero pinatulan ko rin to noon. Get off the fast food invading your country or end up like the USA. It's not a status symbol to be fat, you know. It's just unhealthy and you will die young. Okay, and another is, the title of this article should be Style Tips for the Obese.
Grabe naman yung
Grabe
obese.
yung
Hindi
obese.
pa naman tayo obese nun.
Eh ngayon, what are
Hindi naman tayo naging obese ever. Hindi naman
Okay,
tayo
may isa
obese.
pa. Direct paki-bleep na lang to ha. Makolesterol mga pek nito.
Alam mo, award-winning yung comment na yan.
Grabe. Grabe.
People are nasty online.
Isa naman, hala, may crack sa sahig. Brando. Si Brando yung nag-comment. Ito pa. Yuck, obese. O-B-E-S-S-E. Papayat muna kayo. Kahit anong ganda ng damit, pero batchoy na katawan, wala din. Fairness, gandang-ganda ako sa atin dito ah. No offense meant, but para silang skinless Miss Piggy.
What?
Skinless? Baka ibig sabihin niya hairless. Charot. Kahit anong isuot mo, mataba ka pa rin. Taba. Haha. Sige, kain pa. Haha. Kain lang ng kain. Haha. Alam mo,
So
noon pa
funny.
lang, kailangan na talaga ng Philippines ang media literacy and media, online decency. Tips sa mga girls, ayaw namin lalaki ng mga baboy. Okay. Ito yung sobrang tawang-tawa ko. Ito talaga, this one takes it. Nag-comment sa picture ni Stacy. Ako naging boyfriend mo. Ikukulong kita ng 30 days. Paglabas mo, pasasalamatan mo ako kapag nakita mo sarili mo sa salamin. Pero papipirmahin muna kita ng kontrata na you got detained on your free will and you will be fined 50K if you break up with me. And under no circumstance will you be able to file a lawsuit against me. Dash Mark Adrian. But you know, at the end of it, I think we wanted to highlight it because we wanted to also show that that's it. When you put yourself out there, when the spotlight is on you, people will have something to say and you can't fault them for it.
And also, I think during this time, no, I specifically like considered it as fat discrimination. Na parang, see, this is why fat discrimination exists, blah, blah, blah. But really, like, if you go to anyone's public page,
Oo.
meron talagang mga nasty
oo.
comments eh. It doesn't matter if it's about your race, it's about what you're wearing, about
Kahit
your
na-
lifestyle
yeah.
or your size.
Yeah.
People are just nasty these days.
Yeah, and they have something to say. Always something to say.